Now, there's going to be more surge testing for COVID in the UK after the country recorded the highest daily number of coronavirus cases since March. Several areas, including parts of Berkshire, Kent and West Yorkshire, are experiencing a rise in infections linked to the variant first detected in India, known as Delta. Scientists are urging caution over plans to lift restrictions in England later this month. Helena Wilkinson reports.
Come on in.
Thank you very much.
With an increase in infection rates, NHS leaders are continuing to stress the message, come forward to get your vaccine when you're called. It is the Delta variant, first detected in India, which is causing problems. Public Health England says it's now become the dominant strain in the UK. Where it's been detected, surge testing has been taking place. From Monday, residents in parts of Reading and Wokingham in Berkshire will be urged to have a test as part of a 2-week programme. The latest figures from across the UK show there were more than 6,200 new coronavirus infections in the last 24-hour period. That is the highest daily number of cases since the end of March. 11 deaths were recorded in the last 24 hours. Although hospital admissions are rising again in areas affected by the Delta variant, on the whole they continue to remain low.
What we think we can start to say now, based on that experience from those who've been right at the front of this wave, is that it does look as though the vaccines have kind of broken the chain between catching COVID-19 and potentially being very, very seriously ill and potentially dying.
As the vaccination rollout continues, the UK regulator has approved the Pfizer vaccine for 12 to 15-year-olds. The UK's Vaccines Committee will decide whether they should be offered it.
We want to be clear the reasons why we're immunising children. We need to be absolutely sure that the benefits to them and potentially to society far outweigh any risks.
With a rise in infection rates, many in England are now asking what it means for June the 21st. That's when the government hopes to move to its final stage of its roadmap for lifting lockdown in England.